So welcome to Mobile Graphics. Today tutorial will be talking about how to change images color in Picsart. So this interface, so you click on new project. So we're going to be going into our gallery. So let us search for the file subject we want to use. So let us pick on this car. So we can change this car color to many colors that we want. So first thing first I will do is for us to duplicate this particular image, or just go and bring it in again. So we'll bring it in again. Fine. So what we do to this is you go to your remove background, so you use your remove background for this particular one. Sorry, my network is off, let me on it. So you need your network for this. Remove your background. Removing the background of this image, I just want to see if I could able to get the car. Yeah, voila. So I was able to get the car out. So one thing we do to the car is just go to your adjust. So we go to change the O to whatever color you love. I want to change this to red, blue, green, whatever. So let me change it to white. I go into the saturation and putting down the saturation. Going to the temperature, you can see it. So another thing I need to do is clarity. I want it to be clear. Yeah. So brightness too. So we are good to go. So just make sure that you centralize your design and zoom it out. Voila. We are good to go. So that's just how it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. So let us change it to another color. Add photo with the same color. So we are going to use the same color, the same image. Add. So we are going to be doing the same thing to it. Oh, let me change it to something like green. Okay. Oh, I love this color, green. Let us check the saturation. Yeah. Clarity, just a bit, just put a bit points to your clarity, your contrast. Yeah, so I love it like this. My temperature, yes, I love this color. So let us remove the background too. Remove background. Yeah, good to go. So we do the same thing, just stretch it. You can see that it's snapping to the center, so you stretch it to whatever you want it to be, and that is all about that. So let us now imagine we want to change the color of a cloth. So what we do is follow the same process. It's as simple as ABC. Follow